lunar crystal seems to be somewhere around here. Yet, the energy seems far. Odd. This city is strangely familiar. Is it the one back at home? Yet, different. Strange.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello? Hello?
Hi. Goodbye.
Excuse me? I beg your pardon. What are you doing here?
Nothing that concerns you.
Once again, I beg your pardon. Approach me at this instant.
And as I'll say before, nothing that concerns you.
Well, aren't you a snappy individual? You clearly don't know who you're talking to right now.
No.
And you clearly don't know what city you're in.
No, nor do I care.
Did I clearly forget another casualty? What are you doing?
Looking for
Why
something.
Why are you rummaging through the rubble of my city?
I'm looking for something.
It appears so, but this is not an area that you are allowed to be in. I finished this city off myself. It was a devastating moment, but it had to be done. Because soon this world will fall and a better one will rise afterwards. But it seems that I have encountered a distraction. Now once again I ask, what are you doing here? And who are you? You claim to be looking for something, and... Oh. Your energy. It is disturbingly similar to something that I've encountered.
Your energy seems similar to mine. Similar to Nor.
Nor. I am not familiar with this Nor, but your energy reminds me very much of what I gained when I fused with Nero permanently. In return, I've become what I am today, and now I must fulfill my quest. So I bid you adieu, and if you know what's best for you, you will leave, and not put your grubby gloved hands all over the rubble that you see before you.
Well, if you pay no regard to this world, then you wouldn't care if I were to take something and leave.
I beg your pardon? Oh, no, you don't. Do not touch. I ask again, who are you? Clearly you're looking for something. As am I. I am searching for 4 very powerful jewels. Crystals, in fact. That will allow me to do something that I have always dreamed of doing. On someone's behalf, of course, but also with my own agenda in between.
You really want to know so damn badly who I am. My name is Rifle.
Rifle. How amusing. Like the form of weaponry. Oh, how amusing. And you appear to be looking for something as well. Are you looking for a way home? Because that's simple. Find it. It's not my concern either. Said before, what I'm doing is none of your concern as well. And if you're trying to find a way home, you best find it as soon as possible. Like I said, I don't have time for distractions. Once
I'm
I
not
find
looking
these 4
for a way
crystals-
home. I'm looking for crystals.
Well, for your sake, they better be different crystals than the one I'm after. I have found 2 out of 4 of them, and I am in search of the other ones. I have found... the 4 crystals. I wish I had them all in my hands as of right now, but I only have 2. I have the solar crystal and the dusk crystal. But I'm after the lunar and the dawn.
Well, isn't that ironic? Because I'm also looking for the lunar crystal.
Like I said again, this is becoming a competition of fate. As someone dares to challenge me in my quest for power, then you're sadly mistaken. Again, for your sake, I bid you adieu. Unless you want to perish. These crystals are meant for only me. These crystals are meant for only me. And I suggest that you... Huh?
You'd have to be more faster.
Preposterous. You think you're amusing? Well, I recommend that you run away while you still can. These crystals are mine, and meant for me only.
Seems like you're holding back your speed.
Excuse me? I beg your pardon.
Did you drain some of your energy after destroying this place? It is very energy draining.
That is none of your concern. And if all you want to do is sass me, you clearly haven't understood the concept of leaving yet. Well, so it appears, if you won't leave peacefully on your own, then I guess I'll have to do it by force.
That's weird. Strange.
Surprised, aren't you?
I've never seen someone hit me. The same energy as mine. Well, if
Same
that's
energy.
how you want to play that game, then I'll play along.
Oh, you Dawn. Blast it. You have my strength.
And you have my speed. But it just seems that you're a bit more exhausted at the moment.
I've been searching for these crystals for the longest time. This is preposterous. No one has ever stood up to me in this form before.
Neither has anyone done that to me.
I have your strength. And you have my speed. At a better capacity, though.
Because I haven't drained myself yet.
Oh, well, I'm sure I could change that. Surprised, aren't you?
Quite a bit.
Well, as I said before, these crystals are mine. And again, if you know what is good for you, you will turn around and leave.
I don't think I can do that, Princess.
Excuse me? Get back here. What? Where did you go?
You're slow. Come on.
Face me, you coward! Where are you?
Oh,
Why are
I'm
you
around the
after these
street.
crystals?
Come on.
You claim to be after the same thing I'm after. The only crystals that exist are the ones in my dimension, in this world. There is no possible way that you could be after the exact same as mine. Your energy is way too similar, but it's disturbing. It doesn't help that you look like me as well. You must be some kind of a clone.
I was thinking the same myself. You seem to be like a clone, but with a feminine stature.
Feminine stature? Says the one who doesn't have the decency. Masculinity. Foul excuse for intelligence.
Says the one running at me when they're at low energy.
Well, if it's no stranger to you, I don't take kindly to visitors. And if they appear to be distractions to my goals, then they must be executed.
You're the one
But for some
making me a distraction.
You seem to be after the same thing that I'm after. But I don't want any form of trickery or deception to get in my way. I don't know who your savior is, but whoever sent you here, they will not know why you return. So bruised, so mangled. But at the same time, for some reason, your energy is motivating me to not lay a hand on you as of right now. It baffles me, though, to say the least. Who are you?
You really want to know? My name is Rifle. Others know me as Project Calamity Shadow.
Project Calamity Shadow. Oh, how amusing. I got some information out of you. This information benefits me in no form whatsoever. Though it's ironic that you and I appear to be similar in some form. Similar looks, similar energy. And yet, you know nothing about me.
I know nothing about you.
Well, it's disturbing, isn't it?
It is.
When you meet someone and yet you have no idea who they are. And yet they appear to be at the exact same standing in terms of power. How pathetic. Well, if you're so desperate to know who I am, you may refer to me as Magnum. Or, to fit with your description, I was known as Project Calamity Umbra.
Umbra?
Yes. My past has been a rough one, but thanks to my savior, she has shown me that there is more to what I have been first introduced to. And, in regards to my poor little sister, when I gather my crystals, I aim to bring her back and make sure she knows her place. Control is what keeps things from going awry. And with your lack of control and knowing to leave, clearly you might find out the hard way what I'm capable of in the future.
I won't have to now. I'm not going to be here for very long. All I need is the crystal, and then I'll be on my way. I have my own goals to achieve.
But like I said, there are only 4, and they are meant to be used by me. I sense one is nearby.
There's only
Must be
4.
up here.
And you said that you have the solar crystal. Then why do I have the solar crystal as well?
That is preposterous. There are only 4.
There are only 4. Then why do I have one?
It appears there must have been some anomaly. Or something that...
Look what's in my hand.
What?
And look what's in the other. The soul in the dusk, the same as yours.
It's preposterous. You must hand them over right now. Those are meant to be for me. I don't know why there are other ones.
Oh, look at that. I use chaos control. Now they're at home.
I don't know what sort of trickery you're trying to attempt to pull on me.
It's no trickery. It seems that we're in a predicament. You're looking for the same thing as me. Yet we both have the same crystals, look similar, and have the same energy.
And apparently similar former titles. Except yours is for some reason Shadow and mine is Umbra, but that's just a minor detail that doesn't add anything. It appears that it could be possible that... No, it cannot be possible.
If you're as smart as you say you are, and you're me, you should figure it out.
Parallels. It's impossible. That's impossible. Parallels. That cannot be possible.
If it isn't impossible, only those of our power would survive this
You
fall.
are the master. What? Oh. So you want to be that way, huh? Where?
Come down here, I dare you.
Oh, know your behavior radiates immaturity.
Not even a scratch.
So it is appearing that we are the same. And we're both after the same thing.
Perhaps so. And it
But for
oddly
your
seems
safety-
that your end goal is very similar to mine. Except I have no interest in bringing back my sibling.
Oh,
I have no cares and regard for him.
Oh, no. You don't understand. No surprise there. My sister wants to reject what she's meant to do, which is to aid in our conquest.
Mine is
when I gather
rejecting to follow his orders too when it comes to his father. I just pay no mind and don't care. It's none of my business.
Nova, that little brat. She refuses to acknowledge that she was made for a greater purpose. But I guess if you don't acknowledge what you're meant to do by those who are superior, it could be considered as an act of treason, so I must punish her unless she sees the error of her ways.
Will you do that? Well, I find the crystal and go on my merry way to make a new world. The one that Maria saw.
Maria? Why does that sound sort of familiar?
A world without disgusting people.
Disgusting
The
humans.
ones who took her away from me.
Disgusting humans. You despise humans as well.
Quite. The only one that I didn't despise is gone. And she wasn't even human in my eyes. She was much different.
She was something much
Similar, like more of an angel.
something heavenly. Something that you
That.
refuse to connect back to the humans, isn't it?
Indeed. A thing that no longer exists. The closest
Your
thing I have to
story-
that is my lover.
Lover. Lover? Oh, how amusing. You have a lover. Love.
Only by rare chance.
Love. Love. Much like time being a mere concept created by those disgusting humans, love is nothing more than just a hormonal reaction out of desperation to satisfy a disgusting need to reproduce.
Well, if you're anything
Love is
like me, you would know that we can't.
Hence why love is weak. I don't need any of that in my life. It's nothing but a distraction. Kind of like your presence as well as many other presence that was in this city. But, for some strange reason, your energy, not as annoying to my brain as of right now. But once I find my crystals, I can restore my world to be just as Marley saw it. Something better. Wait a minute. Marley? Was Maria blonde?
Yes.
Oh, dear God, no. Dear God,
Blonde,
no.
blue eyes.
Skin fair like the sun.
Yes. But weak and delicate like a flower. The smallest
radiant
sneeze
smile.
could take them down.
A radiant smile.
Yes.
A touch. It is as soft as a cloud.
Indeed.
Oh, Marley. Ugh. This is disturbing me. We are too similar.
As I said before, it's a parallel. There seems to be these minor differences. But no world is exactly the same.
Like a snowflake falling from the heavens. No two snowflakes are alike. I guess in this case, that is us.
Seems that way. You seem to have a different savior and a different outlook. Yet, similar goals and a similar opinion to everything around you.
Yes.
You are almost identical to me. A twisted mirror.
A perverted image of what I clearly am.
Perverted? I have no interest in anything.
Not in that way, you dunce. I mean, a twisted form of what I truly represent. You're the masculine version of me that, for some ridiculous reason, believes in love. Pathetic!
Lecture me if you want. It doesn't bug me.
I don't aim to pester you, or criticize. I have my own agenda. You clearly have yours.
There's no need to lecture me about that either.
You tend to stare off. You tend to be very pensive, questioning about what to do in order to achieve your end goals.
I don't exactly question. It's just find situations before I do them. Making sure that everything goes correctly.
Showing by actions. Clearly, we do have similar mentalities and ways of action.
If I were to go in head first, then things wouldn't get done correctly. I wouldn't know exactly what to do at that moment. I can't rely on Nora's advice 24/7.
It seems that Nero would probably find you not as disturbing as everyone else.
Let me guess. Nero was talking in her head as well.
It's none of your concern. My fusion with her has given me a greater purpose in life.
My fusion with Nora has given me a greater purpose in life as well.
No. How amusing. Similar saviors. Except for my race, we aim to conquer, and I lead. My mother cannot do anything on her own. Without my guidance, she's an incompetent buffoon.
How ironic. Because my father's the same way. I may have a different savior, but father is no different. If it wasn't for his precious wolves and me, he would go nowhere.
So it appears so.
It's an unfortunate decision that I have to leave him, pursue my goal. Once I make my new world, I know that he'll stab me in the back and just take it for himself.
It appears that we both know what our futures are about to become once we find what we're after.
I've already planned to rid Mavros.
Mavros. Oh, my dear Mavis, my mother. She will soon realize who she's been dealing with. Once I rid her, and this world is restored to a proper stature, things will be better. I may consider passing by you, because clearly we're one and the same, so recklessly wanting to fight you would not benefit me. It would only cause harm.
It wouldn't benefit me either. In fact, all it would do is distract me from what I'm trying to do.
It seems we both don't tolerate distractions.
No, I don't. I may have a lover, but she doesn't distract me. In fact, she lets me do what I please. She lets me come and go as long as I want.
Is it because she's afraid of what you would do should you oppose?
No.
Or should she oppose?
No, it's because she supports my cause. She understands what I'm trying to aim for.
Supporting a cause. So she's basically seeing you as a charity case.
I wouldn't see it as a charity case. but she can understand what I'm doing.
So it appears. I know. Eventually the hormones could wear off, and your love could fade. Or it could persist, but it's only a matter of time until that fades away as well.
Whether or not it fades, they still support my cause. They wouldn't get in my way either way.
Speaking of getting in the way, I sense the energy is stronger around here.
That means that the lunar crystal is nearby. Interesting.
Yes, except I will be the one to grab it, and you will stay here like a good male, and I will pursue it on my own. Oh dear.
Oh, you're not crying. Hi.
Clever. You think you're amusing.
Oh, I know I'm amusing. Wrong way, princess.
Oh! How dare you! Where did you go?
Oh, nothing. You both have 3 eyes.
Well, your third one clearly hasn't opened up yet. What?
Invisible barrier.
What?
It seems some of GUN's things have activated.
It appears so.
Technology is buggy. When you destroy it, sometimes things randomly activate.
Apparently so. It is strange how you've managed to pick up on my strategies. Parallels.
We are one and the same. We think the same way. And if I am guessing correctly, Nano is telling you to go right.
How do we get through here? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is ridiculous.
It's right here. I guess we're both stupid. We went around in circles, but it's right here.
Well, mistakes can happen to even the ones with the most highest intelligence. So you're not as perfect as you claim to be either.
No, I'm not. I already said that we're both stupid. We were both running around in circles.
I feel like we're both running around in circles. You're after crystals, I'm after crystals. It is fair that we separate. I wish to no longer interact with you.
Oh, that's so. Then that's unfortunate. I guess I'll take the crystal that's right under my boot.
Oh, no, you don't! You fool! Unhand that crystal right now! It's meant to be in my hands.
I don't know. Do I want to?
For your safety, you should. You're cornered.
Am I?
Yes, you are.
I don't know. Am I?
Huh? What? What? Huh? That energy. Oh, it messed it. You're not the only one who can pull tricks like that.
Oh, I don't like that.
Like you said, we're one and the same. Well, this was fun. I will admit. I never thought I'd meet someone at the same stature level as me, but this was quite amusing. I guess for now... I guess I bid you adieu.
Aww.
What? Excuse me? I said I bid you adieu.
We're one and the same, and I'll know what you're doing.
Your energy? You're no fair. Ugh. Get back here.
No.
Ugh. Wherever you are, stay away from those crystals. If there are different ones.
That's
then
unfortunate, because I have them right in my hand. This
unhand
is
them
becoming
right
a
now.
little wild goose chase. If you have the solar crystal and the dust crystal, and so do I, then wouldn't there be another lunar crystal that's yours?
Except it's meant to only be used by me.
Here's the thing. This one seems to be the energy similar to my world, which means that yours should be somewhere different. If there's 2 solar crystals, and there's 2 dust crystals, and who's to say there isn't 2 dawn crystals and 2 lunar crystals?
Oh, the one I'm searching for must not even be here. Are you telling me that the ones that you're after are here?
It seems that our stuff is getting mixed up. Bunch of my stuff is in different dimensions, which is possible that the same happened to yours. So yours could be in my world, and mine would have been in yours. As if fate wanted us to meet each other. For some odd, strange reason.
It appears so.
Whether for ally,
It could be
enemy, frenemy, or just companionship. Who knows? Maybe even just an acquaintance.
I prefer more.
Fate is strange.
I prefer more colleague standing.
Colleague? I would say more of an acquaintance, but if you want to go by colleague, that works fine.
Well,
Colleagues works together. And from all I'm aware of, we're working alone.
Well, I only work with those that benefit me. And so far, you've done nothing but distract me from my quest. All we've been doing this whole time is just arguing and bickering over the dawn crystals.
But here's something. In the end, I just figured out where your lunar crystal is. So technically, in a way, this did just benefit you, and it benefited me. Clever, clever.
So it is so. But at the same time, you've made a mistake as well. Because now I know where to go.
Who said I'm gonna stop you? If I already have mine, then why do I need yours?
Well, then I guess we both best be on our way searching for what we desire.
Seems so. You're gonna apologize for kicking me for no reason.
Well, I tend to be a little hostile towards those who I find a bit... What's the word? Oh, I don't know, pest-like? Sure, annoying. But I do appreciate you disclosing the location of where I must go next. Though it may not be much different from what you see right here, because it's pretty much just your world. But I assume it's more masculine, judging by you having a masculine standing.
Perhaps, perhaps not. Cities do not have a feminine or masculine nature. They just have a different outlook depending on the parallel universe. Sometimes the building materials are to be different, or sometimes the outlook could be different as well.
Appearing so. Well, I did not mean to hurt you. It's more of an instinctual decision.
You're
Plus, it's
lucky I
pointless.
decided not to hit a lady.
You might want to change that mentality.
I usually don't follow it. I only decided to follow it with you because we seem to have the same energy.
Well,
And fighting each other wouldn't be beneficial.
agreed. Reluctantly. But shall our paths cross again? Maybe a more cordial form of interaction could possibly occur.
I would not mind that.
Hmm.
As long as you don't get in my way for finding the crystals, I won't get in your way for finding yours.
Same to you. But since I now know where to go, then I guess I've been looking in the wrong place this entire time. Well,
It seems all you have to do is go to my world, and go to the destroyed city I destroyed an hour ago. Turn to a right, and go into the skyscraper nearby. As it seems to me that this outlook from the city is very similar.
Yes.
Just a different building posture.
Yes. Your aid was much appreciated, I will confess. Rifle, wasn't it?
Yes. I never got your name. Oh wait, I did, I just forgot. Was forgotten because I got annoyed.
Well, before I go, all you need to know is you may refer to me as Magnum. Chaos Control! Cut it out, ignore it. Don't move.
We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
How dare you? Those crystals are meant for me.
Okay, we need to cut that part. I accidentally pressed the button.
It's okay, it happens.
No!
Oh, dang it.
We were going so well!
Expressions button.
Yeah, by accident. Oops.
I will win!
I doubt that.
I don't know who you are, who you think you are, and what you're destined to be.
I hit the fucking R button again!
You hit the R button again? Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry!
It's okay. Like I said, it's okay. This is fun.
Okay, I feel stupid. I need to stop doing that. I need to remember, press F, not R.